friends, welcome back to my channel Jadooi Math. I'm in Magical Math. My name is Krishna. I am 10 years old. This video is part 60. Earlier we already learned how to check answer for multiplication, addition and division. Today we will be discussing how to check subtraction answer. For example, this or this or this or this. Please note, this is subtraction question. The first part is called minuend and the second part is called subtrahend. And this part, its answer, which is called as a difference. As usual, we are going to check in the answer in mind and in seconds using Vedic Maths. So friends, today's trick is same as of addition or multiplication answer check as we did earlier. I mean digital root of question part and answer part must be same. Just hold on. Subtraction has one more secret, which is if digital root of question parts comes with negative sign, add 9 to make it positive number. Friends, if you forgot what is digital root, please refer our part 13 video for digital root detail understanding. Let's apply the Jadoo. For example, I took this question and its answer. This is question, this is answer. As you already know, this is minimum, this is subtract and this is difference. So as per today's secret, we have to find digital root of question and answer separately. But before doing that, first we have to find digit sum of question and answer. So digit sum of minuend is 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9. So hope you friends already remember. Whenever you see 9 or you are adding the digits you got 9, or you see multiples of 9, you have to cross them or imagine them like a 0. So like here, it's 9. So we have crossed out. Now like 7 plus 6 is 13, which is 2 digit. So we have to add to make a single digit. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And 4 plus 5 is 9. So we have to cross out them. Now, digital root of minuend is 6 plus 4 is 10, which is 2 digits. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So digital root of minuend is 1. Now minus digit sum of subtrahend. So 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. So like 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 5 is 11, which is 2 digits. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 7 is 9. So we have crossed out them. So digital root of subtrahend is minus and then 8 because this is already a single digit. Then digital root of question is 1 minus 8, which is minus 7. But it's so as per today's secret, whenever you see negative sign with a number, you have to add 9. So plus 9 minus 7, which is 2. So digital root of question is 2. Now, digit sum of answer. So 7 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8 plus 1. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Then 8 plus 1 is 9. And then 2 plus 0 is 2. So digital root of difference is 2, which is single digit. So digital root of answer is 2. Digital root of question and digital root of answer is equal. Means the answer is correct. Here I mentioned steps that we followed today. Please go through it. For better understanding, I've shown some more examples here. Please go through it. Thank you for watching my video. I would like to guys please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos and press bell icon so you can get notification automatically. Please check answer for below subtraction using today's Jadoo. Please keep in mind, my new video comes on every Sunday, so don't forget to watch. Till check care, bye bye. See you next video. Stay home, stay safe. Namaste.